Alright, so we're talking about neck pain, and if you've tried some of those home remedies and maybe not doing the trick for you as far as getting some of that neck pain alleviated, then we're going to show you some things that we do here in the office. So starting off, we'll start with a chiropractic adjustment here. So I evaluate Nancy's spine here in the neck. We're looking for any areas that aren't moving properly, if there's restricted motion, or if there's a bone that's not in the right place. And that has a tendency to affect the nerves there, which can cause pain, sometimes locally here in the neck, or sometimes traveling down into the arms, all the way down to the fingers as well. So when we do an adjustment, we find the area of restriction, and I'm just going to take her head slightly over to the side here. And once we reach that point of resistance, it's just a little push past that, like that, and it helps to alleviate that restriction there and help it feel a little bit better there, okay? So if you have any questions about chiropractic or you're interested in something like that, go ahead and leave a comment below. If you found this information useful, please share it with your friends and family.